Today I'm going to teach you how to tint this window from start to finish. So let's do it. Step 1, spray the outside of the window. Step 2, get your film and put it on the outside of the window. To make it a little easier, you're going to cut off all the extra film that you don't need. From here, the steps are pretty easy. All you have to do is cut your front edge, move it forward 1/4 of an inch, cut your top edge, cut your back edge, cut your bottom edge, round your corners, and then you apply the film. We are going to shrink the pattern, but we're going to do it a little bit differently. I'm sorry. At this point it says spray it, scrub it, squeegee, whatever that means. To avoid contamination, always spray your fingers. Because this is a boneless window, we're going to take a hard card and a paper towel and push out all the edges. And it's really that easy.